Joe Mackenzie here, your watercolor coach. This is my second still life box, which I put white paper on because it catches more reflections. And then I use this spotlight, but the light inside the spotlight is it's probably 100, yeah, I think it's 100 watt, and is natural light. The reason I like to use this box is that it's pretty big, and because I can see quite clearly where all the reflections are. So I prefer this box to the other box that I showed how to make, and I'm going to show that other box now. This is my second box, and all it is a cardboard box with a window cut out in it and tissue paper put over it. It sort of diffuses the light and makes a nice still life stage. I think my problem with this box at this point is it's small, so I can't get some bigger objects in there, and I really need to put white paper in it because I find that that brown sort of absorbs some of the reflections that I want to get. But it really depends, and sometimes I don't use a still life stage at all. My favorite thing is to actually have sunlight or natural light. But those are the two boxes that I use, and the stand is just a, I don't know, what would you call that? Kind of a tray stand that flips down easily. All right, so that's my tip for the day. Remember to keep the whites of your paper white, your paints wet, mask for value, mix for color, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.